how's it going, folks? It's me again, your boy Towel, and welcome back to Coding for Superheroes. It's been a while, but I'm back. I'm working on a new series now. It's basically a Node.js for beginners. So, I basically want to do like a raw vanilla Node.js tutorial. I'm not going to be including libraries like Express and things like that. I don't want to. There are a lot of tutorials that are there, if you want to do that sort of thing. But I want to kind of dive deep, into really understanding, what Node has to offer, just on its own. So yeah, I will do my best to do this justice. I think there's a lot, that lies ahead. So I don't want to really blab a lot. I'll say, okay, let's just kind of jump right into it, and I'll just kind of take you through the introduction of what Node is for those that don't know, But yeah, let's kind of jump right in. Okay, welcome folks to the introduction to Node.js. And so I'm just going to basically give you a brief description of what Node.js is for those of you that don't know. And after that, then I will show you how to set up your environment, and then we can start. Now, Node.js is an open source, cross-platform backend JavaScript runtime environment that runs on the V8 engine and executes JavaScript code outside a web browser. Now, this is the first of its kind because you have other languages like PHP that you use for server-side rendering. But this is the first time that JavaScript is able to basically run on the server because of Node.js. And so Node.js lets developers use JavaScript to write command line tools for server-side scripting. Basically, this helps to produce dynamic web page content before the page is sent to the user's web browser. Now, this is good because if you are skilled in JavaScript, then it means that you don't have to learn a lot of languages. With JavaScript, you can be able to create front end and back end code. So you can basically be a full stack developer using just JavaScript. Now, Node is an event-driven architecture capable of asynchronous processing. Now, what asynchronous processing means, just that when a process is running, it will not block other processes from running. Basically, if you are fetching data, for instance, while the data is being processed, everything else will be running. So this will not block everything else. So your whole system will not stop just waiting for one process to finish before everything else continues. So that is the beauty of it. It's referred to also as non-blocking. Node.js allows the creation of web servers and network tools using JavaScript and a collection of modules that handle various core functionalities. Now, you can do quite a few things with Node.js. You've got your HTTP module, you've got your file module, you've got path. You can do quite a few things, and I will show you later on what Node.js is capable of, or just the basic modules that you would usually use on any kind of project. Okay, so with all of that explained, I will just quickly show you how to set up your environment. So if you do not already have Node.js on your system, then just do a Google search and type in Node.js. It should take you to the Node.js.org website. I've got it already open here. So if you do a Google search, it should send you to this site, nodejs.org. And then you would download the LTS version. The LTS means the stable version. This is recommended, but you could also use the latest version, but it is just not as stable. So once you do that, you just download it, and then afterwards, then you install it on your system. It's a very simple process. If you've ever downloaded or installed software on your computer, then it is a similar process, nothing complicated. And then once you have done that, then you can go to your command line, and then you can check to see if Node.js has installed properly. Okay, so you can either open your CMD like on your Windows, and then over there you can then type in node/v. Now what will happen is that it will show you the version of Node.js that you've got installed. So if that pops up, then it means that you've got Node.js running in your system and you're good to go. So now for the rest of this tutorial, I will be using Visual Studio as my IDE. You can use the IDE of your preference, but if you do not have any idea what that even means or which one to choose, I would recommend downloading Visual Studio Code, similar to how you downloaded Node.js. Just say Visual Studio Code and it should send you to the right website. Or you could have just gone to download, but yeah, here you can just choose for which operating system you want to download, Mac, Windows, or Linux. And once again, it's a pretty straightforward process. You do that and then you'll be good to go. So what I will do is that I will just leave it here for now as your introduction, and then in the next lesson then I will start basically showing you how the different modules work. We will start with HTTP, but until then, I say love and peace, my brothers and sisters. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.